Hello everyone, Miss Poonam this side. I will continue chapter 3 Human Reproduction of class 12th Biology, and in today's class we will be talking about the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of primary sex organs and the secondary sex organs. Under the primary sex organs, it has a pair of ovaries that synthesize the female gamete, and the secondary sex organs, they have the duct system consisting of a pair of fallopian tube, a uterus, cervix and vagina. Apart from that, the external genitalia and the mammary glands. These are the part of female reproductive system. So here we will be talking about the primary sex organs and the secondary sex organs. First of all, we will start with the ovaries. Ovaries are the primary female sex organs that produce the female gamete, means egg, or you can say the ova. And most of the steroid hormones are also secreted by the ovaries. And for the protection of the ovaries, it is covered by a thin layer that is called the epithelium, which encloses the ovarian stroma. Further, it is divided into peripheral cortex and an inner medulla. If we will talk about the fallopian tube, it extends from the periphery of ovary to the uterus. The part closer to ovary is a funnel-shaped structure that is called infundibulum. It having the finger-like projections, and these infundibulum lead to the ampulla, and finally it joined with the isthmus. Uterus is a pear-shaped structure where the zygote get implanted and then it start growing. It is also called the womb. Uterus open into the vagina through a narrow cervix, or you can say the cavity of cervix, that is called the cervic canal, along with the vagina form the birth canal from where the fetus come out during the labor pain. Now we will talk about uterus and its lair. Uterus is a pear-like structure. It is also called the womb, and it consists of three main layers. These are perimetrium, myometrium and the endometrium. You can see here in the diagram, the perimetrium is external membrane. Myometrium is a middle thick layer of smooth muscle which exhibits strong contraction during the delivery of baby. And the endometrium is line the uterine wall and undergoes cyclic change during the menstrual cycle. These changes means during the menstruation cycle, the blood vessels start accumulates over here. If the male gamete get enter, the fertilization takes place. It protect the zygote. If not do so, in that time, the blood vessels and the egg will get ruptured and it will lead to the bleeding, that is called the menstrual cycle. Female external genitalia, it includes the mons pubis, that's the cushion of fatty tissue covered by the skin and the pubic hair. Labia majora, it's a fleshy fold that surrounds the vaginal opening, and the labia minora, it is a pair of fold of tissue under the labia majora. And the opening of vagina is often partially covered by a membrane, and that membrane is called as hymen. And here the finger-like projections are present at the upper junctions of two labia minora above the urethral opening, and that urethral opening is called the clitoris. Mammary glands, also the secondary sex organs of the female. Usually in mammals, the mammary glands are paired structure that contains the glandular tissue and the variable fats. Each glandular tissue contains 15 to 20 mammary lobes containing the alveoli that help to secrete in milk. Mammary ducts join to form a mammary ampulla. So here it is the overall structure of female reproductive system and the labeling of the different part of it. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself.